Hello everyone. Today we are going to move to next step. We are going to learn a new programming language, Python. So if you already know block coding, how to make programs using these blocks, then the next step is to learn a new full-fledged language like Python. So if you can see in this code section, these lines are written using Python. So in our future videos, we'll learn how to read, write and understand these lines. So first of all, what is Python? Python is basically a language like English or Hindi. So we humans can understand these languages, right? Same like computers can understand only languages like Python, Java, JavaScript, etc. So these languages are known as programming languages. So Python is basically a programming language. So why we have to learn Python? Why professionals use Python? That's because like in this block coding, you can build a simple game like how to move this car in a square path, triangular path and zigzag path, right? So in these simple games can be built using this block coding, but Python is more powerful. We can make a real-time app like YouTube or games like Subway Surfers, Temple Run, etc. using Python. And also it is very easy to read and write. That's why many professionals use Python in their day-to-day life. So now we'll see where to write Python and where to see output. So first of all, when you have to write a Python code, you need a Python interpreter. What is interpreter and all we will see in future videos. For now, you can open any Python interpreter in online from Chrome. So I am using program is Python online compiler. So this is the place where you will write the code like move forward, etc. And this is the place where you will see the output like how car moved in the block coding. Those output and all we'll see here. And how to see the output, we have to run the code using this run button. So we have to write the code over here, we have to run, and then we'll get output here. So for example, we'll run and see how this works. So obviously we'll get an error message over here because we didn't follow any rules for Python. Yeah, we got an error. So how to write program using Python, these rules and all we'll see in future videos. For now, just understand like we'll write the code over here, we'll run and then we'll see the output. So that's how Python programming works. So for winding up, we'll see what are the differences between block coding and Python. So block coding is a very basic, simple language, but Python is a very advanced language. In block coding, we'll build programs using dragging and dropping the blocks like this, and in Python, we'll build the program using words and sentences. And in block coding, we can make simple games like how to move this car in square path, etc. While in Python, we'll build advanced apps and games. So that's it for today. Thank you.